Okay, today's date is 23 February 2022. Today's topic is life journey of Azim Premji. First of all, my name is Atullah Shukugal Mugle and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. Let's go to on our topic, life journey of Azim Hasim Premji. Azim Hasim Premji is born 24 July 1945. He is a Indian businessman and the Indian investor and also the engineer. And the he is a chairman of Wipro Limited. Wipro Limited is formerly known as Western Indian Vegetable Product Limited. He is an Indian multinational uh, conglomerate headquarter in this company headquarter in Bangalore and Kolkata. Premji remains a non-executive. Premji remains a non-executive member of board of founder of chairman of non-executive member and the of board of founder chairman. He is in format known as Caesar of Indian IT industry, because the Indian IT in Indian IT industry the Azim Premji is the most depend in Indian IT industry most depend on the Azim Premji. So he was responsible for guiding Wipro to 4 decades for diversification and the growth to finally emerge as one of the global leaders in the software industry. In 2010, he is twice listed among the 100 most influential people by the year. Once in 2004 and the most recently in 2011. 4 years. He is the one of the richest people in the India with the total net worth is uh, 3.28 billion according to our billion index. He is agreed to give away list of billionaire donation. Premji is donated. Premji is he is he is found the one foundation that's name is Azim Premji Foundation, focused on education in India. So he topped the Hural India to last list for 2020. So Premji was born in Mumbai and India as a Indian in a Gujarati Muslim family. So his father is a noted businessman and was known as Rich King of Burma. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, fourth founder of Pakistan, invested his father. So Premji has Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering degree from uh, Stanford University. He the Azim Premji married with Yasmin Premji. The the couple have two children, Rishad and Tariq. So in 1945, Muhammad Hasim Premji, the in incorporated Western India Vegetable Products Limited, based on our small town in the Jalgaon district of Maharashtra. It used to manufacture cooking oils and under the brand name of Sunflower, and the industry made making a soap. And in 1966 his father is dead, and then 20 years old Azim Premji returned home from Stanford University, and where they studying the where he was studying in engineering. So Indian vegetable product at the time. Uh, so the Wipro, the main the the Wipro IT company is a main of the company in all the IT companies, and the Wipro donates more funds to educate the Indian young peoples and develop our careers and making our careers. So this is our today's topic, life journey of our Azim Premji, or the our founder of Wipro companies, Azim Premji. He he is a best businessman as well as investor as well as engineer, and he is very most hand in the growth of India. So thank you.